Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you my Nykaa haul, my Pink Friday sale Nykaa haul. I only bought makeup this time. I didn't buy any skincare or body care, hair care. I bought only makeup. So if you are interested to know what all things I got, please keep on watching this video. This time in this Pink Friday sale on Nykaa, I felt the deals were not that good. The deals were not attractive. कुछ ही ऐसी डील्स थी जो काफ़ी अच्छी थी. बाकी जो डील्स हैं वो आपको थ्रू आउट द ईयर भी मिल जाएंगी. तो देयर वाज नथिंग स्पेशल अबाउट दोज डील्स. मुझे कुछ आई थिंक कुछ 5-6 डील्स ही मुझे ऐसी दिखी जो कि डिफरेंट थी, जो आपको जनरली थ्रू आउट द ईयर नहीं मिलती है. जैसे कि ऑन के ब्यूटी देवर ऑफरिंग 25% डिस्काउंट ऑन फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स, जिन पे मैंने पहले कभी इतना डिस्काउंट नहीं देखा था. लाइक मैक्सिमम 15 और 20% डिस्काउंट रहता था, बट दिस टाइम स्पेशली ऑन हाईलाइटर्स एंड पाउडर्स मैंने इससे पहले कभी अच्छा डिस्काउंट नहीं देखा था. तो देवर गिविंग 25% discount on those products. Then they had a good offer on MAC as well, where you get a full size products when you buy some amount of makeup. And apart from that, they were giving a nice discount on Flower Beauty and one or two brands generally जिन पे ज़्यादा ऑफर नहीं रहता है. But otherwise all the deals were like kind, मतलब उतनी अच्छी कोई डील मुझे नहीं दिखी. But still I got few products from this sale, so let me show you what all I got. So first I got few things from MAC. So MAC had this offer where if you purchase a products worth rupees 2500, you will get a lipstick free, and if you purchase products worth rupees 3500, you can choose from lipstick, blush or highlighter. But when I placed my order, there was some kind of glitch I guess in the offer, so I got the option to select 2 free products instead of one. They gave me option to select 1 free lipstick and 1 product from blush or highlighter, or some eye product was there. So I actually got 2 products. So I purchased 2 products and got 2 as free. So the first product is this one. This is the foundation from MAC. It's their Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. I got the shade 97. You won't believe, but I have never used any MAC foundation. I got myself matched in MAC store. That's how I know my shade in the MAC foundation. But इससे पहले मैंने कभी MAC foundation use नहीं किया था. तो I was actually planning on purchasing this foundation from some time, and when I saw this deal on Nykaa, I thought it will be a good time to purchase this foundation because I'll get some free products as well with it. So that's why I got it, and I got this one in the shade NC37. That's what my shade is. So this is how this foundation looks like. It comes in this glass bottle. There is only one problem with this foundation, that you don't get a pump. It is like this. You'll have to pour it and use it. I think you can purchase the pump separately, but why would I purchase the pump? I paid a lot of amount for this foundation. They could have given me the pump free with this foundation. So I don't understand this deal with this MAC. Like, they could actually give a pump with the foundation. There are other affordable brands like Maybelline and other brands जिनके अंदर आपको फाउंडेशन पंप के साथ मिलता है. तो and they are very affordable as well, right? But we don't get pump in MAC foundation, for which we are paying like 3000 something. So I think they should change the packaging, and they should actually provide the pump with this bottle only. They should not charge separately for the pump. They should give it with the foundation. I'm paying this much, at least I can expect a pump with this foundation. So by the way, this one retails for 2900. Yeah, this is a very expensive foundation, and I'm not getting a pump. Like, that was the most disappointing thing about this foundation. But otherwise I have heard so many good things about this foundation, and I wanted to try it from a really long time, so that's why I purchased this one this time. I actually recently got a lot of products from MAC. I actually didn't own anything from MAC earlier. I had only their Fix Plus. उसके अलावा मेरे पास MAC का और कोई product नहीं था. But recently I got a lot of products. I got few products from US as well. So I'm planning on doing a full face of makeup with all the MAC products or something. So you can see this foundation in action in that video, or I'll do a full face of new makeup or something like that. But I'll use this foundation in my upcoming videos, so you can stay tuned for that video if you want to see how this foundation looks and performs and things. And if you want a detailed review about this foundation, you can let me know in the comment box. I can do a separate review video on this foundation. Now the next product which I got from MAC is this powder. It's their Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. I got this one in the shade NC30. I bought NC30 shade in this because I wanted to use this as a highlighting powder. So इसलिए मैंने इसमें ना थोड़ा एक shade लाइट चूज़ किया है एंड इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. I have heard a lot of good things about this powder as well. That's why I got it this time and I really like the packaging and everything. But इस packaging के ऊपर ना थोड़े से scratches हो रखे हैं कुछ कुछ जगह पे, तो it looks like it's some old product. But I'll talk to Nykaa customer care about this and I'll see if they can replace it with a newer product. So that I'll do. With my purchase of these two products, I got 3 different offers. First, I got 10% discount on the entire order, and then I got these 2 free products, free full size products. So I got this highlighter. This is their extra dimension skin finish powder highlighter, and this one is in the shade Whisper of Guilt. So this is how it looks like. This is actually a really beautiful highlighter. So this is how it looks like from inside. It also comes in this black matte packaging, and this is the highlighter, and here is the swatch. I hope you can see. It's actually a very pretty highlighter. So this was the first thing which I got free, and then I got this full size lipstick. This is their satin lipstick, and this one in the shade Retro. So they had a bunch of lipsticks from which you can choose any finish or any shade. So I chose this one. And so this is how this lipstick looks like. This is the and this is the shade. I was actually not very sure about the shade, but this shade is actually really good. जब मैंने receive किया and swatch किया इसको, तो I was very happy because ये shade काफ़ी अच्छा है. See, it's a very pretty shade. And I have few lipsticks from their retro matte range, which are total matte lipsticks, but I didn't have anything from this range, their satin lipstick range. So I'm actually very happy to get this one. Now in the third offer, I got this sample size product free. This is their Stove Cream. So this one is sample size. You get 6 ml of product in this, and this one is in the shade Pink Light. So I got this Chotu Sa Stove Cream. So I got these 3 offers. So I thought this was a really good deal, especially because of that glitch, and I got really lucky. Otherwise आपको केवल एक ही free product मिलता, but because of this glitch or something, I got these 2 free products, and I was very happy, very happy about this deal. Now the next product is what I wanted to buy from a really long time. I had this product in my cart from last 5 to 6 months, but मुझे कभी भी कोई अच्छा ऑफर नहीं दिख रहा था इस पे, तो I was not buying it. I never buy anything on their full price. मैं कोई भी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट फुल प्राइस पे नहीं परचेज करती हूँ until unless मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो. तो आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर सम काइंड ऑफ डिस्काउंट ऑन दिस बिकॉज इट्स एन एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट, बट मुझे कोई डिस्काउंट दिख ही नहीं रहा था, और इस सेल के अंदर भी ऐसे कोई अच्छा डिस्काउंट था नहीं, बट आई वांटेड इट. सो आई थॉट कि अब चलो ले ही लो, कि बहुत वेट कर चुकी हूँ मैं, तो आई थॉट कि अब ले ही लेना चाहिए. एंड मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज़ सुने हैं, लाइक जो भी मैंने रिव्यूज़ देखे हैं सब लोगों ने इसके बारे में अच्छी बात करी है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वांटेड टू बाय दिस. एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट इज दिस कंसीलर फ्रॉम Too Faced. इट्स देयर Born This Way कंसीलर. आई हैव द फाउंडेशन फ्रॉम द सेम रेंज, बट ये कंसीलर मेरे पास नहीं था और मुझे बहुत टाइम से मन था इसको ट्राई करने का. सो दिस टाइम आई फाइनली बॉट इट. So this one I got in the shade Natural Beige. As I told you, I didn't get any offer on this. I just got some sample free with it. I don't know, I kept it somewhere. I don't have it right now with me. But कोई एक छोटा सा 1 or 2 ml का कोई sample मिला था मुझे प्राइमर का. This concealer retails for 1900 rupees and you get 15 ml of product in this. Generally आपको concealers में इतना ज़्यादा product नहीं मिलता है, but in this one, this particular concealer, you get a lot of product. And this is how this concealer looks like. You can see you get a very big bottle in this. It's a glass bottle with this black color cap, and it comes with this doe foot applicator, a big doe foot applicator. So the packaging and everything is very similar to the foundation packaging. It looks very similar to the foundation, and the size is also very big. So you are paying more for this concealer, but you are getting a lot of product as well. Like 2 concealer के बराबर का product मिल रहा है आपको इस concealer के अंदर, तो it is actually a very good deal. तो ऐसे बात करें तो ये इसकी price actually सही है, काफ़ी reasonable price है इसकी, and this is a very good concealer. So I'm looking forward to try this concealer. नाउ इसके ऊपर भी अगर आपको कोई डिटेल रिव्यू चाहिए तो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। नेक्स्ट आई गॉट दीज 2 ब्लशेस फ्रॉम फ्लावर ब्यूटी। फ्लावर ब्यूटी पे काफ़ी अच्छा डिस्काउंट चल रहा था, आई थिंक 30% डिस्काउंट चल रहा था और 25%, इतना ही 25 to 30% का कोई डिस्काउंट चल रहा था। दीज ब्लशेस वर ऑल्सो देयर इन माई कार्ट फ्रॉम सम टाइम, so this time I got these blushes as well. So these blushes come in this kind of packaging, and I got these 2 shades. So I got the shade lemon and this one is the shade cinnamon. ये दोनों ही shade काफ़ी famous हैं. I think this shade, the cinnamon shade, is a dupe of some high-end blush. These are actually liquid blushes, and I think this is a dupe of some high-end blush from Glossier. I'm not sure. So let me swatch and show you how these looks like. By the way, this is how this blush looks from inside. It comes in this tube packaging. Packaging काफ़ी अच्छी है and काफ़ी easy to use है. I'm taking a very small amount because I don't want to waste a lot of product. So you can see it's very easy to blend. So this is how the first shade, lemon. Now let me swatch the other shade. I hope you can see this is the shade cinnamon and this one is the shade मेलन। दोनों ही शेड्स काफ़ी प्रिटी हैं। दीज आर लिक्विड ब्लशेस। मैंने इससे पहले कोई लिक्विड ब्लश ट्राई नहीं किया था, so that's why I got it because I wanted to try some different kind of blushes. So when I purchased these 2 blushes, I got some discount on these blushes, like 25 to 30% discount, and I got one free product as well, which is this one. This is a brush. Actually, it's a retractable brush. So you open it like this, and then yeah, this is the brush. It's a very nice brush. It's very soft and nice, and this is like a multi-purpose brush. You can use this for powder, contouring, blush, anything. It's a very nice multi-purpose brush, and it looks also really beautiful. मतलब आपको ऐसे देख के लगेगा भी नहीं कि ये brush है, तो it's very nice, very convenient, and very travel friendly as well. Next I got few products from Sugar. So they had this buy 2 get 1 free deal. So I purchased 2 products and got the third one as free. So the first product is this one. This is their Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl. So this is basically a kajal. This is a colored kajal. I got this one in the shade Green Light. I didn't have any kajals from Sugar, and I actually had all kind of other colors, but मेरे पास green color का कोई काजल नहीं था, तो I thought कि if I want to try any kajal from Sugar, let's try this one. So by the way, इसके ऊपर इस तरह की ये sticker लगा हुआ है, जिससे you can know कि it's a new product, and this is how it looks from inside. Oh wow! मैं इसको first time ही swatch कर रही हूँ, इससे पहले मैंने swatch भी नहीं किया इसको. You can see it's a very creamy pencil, and the pigmentation also is really good. It's a wooden pencil and you get this sharpener free with this. Sugar का ये बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है कि उनके सारे इस तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जिनको आपको शार्पन करना पड़ता है, उनके साथ ये जो शार्पनर है वो फ्री आता है, and it's a good quality sharpener actually. Let me actually show you. This is the sharpener. You get this sharpener, and इसके अंदर ये 2 होल्स हैं, तो आप इसके अंदर अपनी लिपस्टिक भी शार्प कर सकते हैं, those crayon lipsticks, and this is good for these kind of pencils as well, kajals and all. So the sharpener as well is really good. So that was the first product, and the second product is this one. This is their lip liner. It's their lipping on the edge lip liner. So this is how it looks like. जो शुगर की आउटर पैकेजिंग तो you might already know कि सबकी सेम ही होती है, ये ग्राफिक आउटर पैकेजिंग है, और ये जो शेड है इसका ये है 01 Taffeta Terracotta. I think I have the same shade in their lipstick as well. जो उनकी क्रेयॉन लिपस्टिक है ना, उसमें भी ये सेम शेड अवेलेबल है, तो that's why मैंने ये वाला शेड परचेज़ किया, and this is how it comes. तो इसके ऊपर भी ये स्टिकर लगा हुआ है. तो व्हाट आई डू, मैं ये जो स्पीकर है वो प्रोडक्ट पे लगा देती हूँ, सो दैट जो एक्सपायरी डेट्स वगैरह मेंशन रहती है इस स्टिकर पे वो यहीं रह जाती हैं, एंड देन लेटर आई कांट कीप द आउटर पैकेजिंग विथ मी, सो आई कैन डायरेक्टली सी द स्टिकर एंड आई नो कि कब ये प्रोडक्ट एक्सपायर हो रहा है. सो इसके ऊपर भी इसी तरह का स्टिकर है, लिप लाइनर पे भी. इसके ऊपर ये प्लास्टिक फिल्म भी है, तो लेट मी रिमूव इट. मैंने एक्चुअली ये वाले प्रोडक्ट्स ना कल ही रिसीव किए थे, तो मैंने इनको ओपन नहीं किया है, ट्राई भी नहीं किया है. दीज आर स्टिल पैक्ड. So this is how this lip liner looks like. Let me swatch it as well. Wow, it's a really nice color. So here's the swatch. ये काफ़ी अच्छा कलर है, एंड इसके साथ भी मुझे ये सेम शार्पनर फ्री मिला. दिस ऑल्सो इज़ नॉट अ रिट्रैक्टेबल पेंसिल, इट्स अ वुडन पेंसिल, सो you'll have to sharpen it up and you get this free sharpener as well with it. So that was the next thing. And the last product which I got is this highlighter. It's their Glow and Behold Jelly Highlighter. शुगर ने ये जेली हाइलाइटर्स कुछ टाइम पहले ही लॉन्च किए थे. मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया उनका कोई भी जेली हाइलाइटर, सो आई थॉट कि चलो इस डील में इसको परचेज करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड. इट कम्स इन दिस काइंड ऑफ जार. आई थिंक इट्स मेड ऑफ ग्लास ओनली. And this is the shade 01. This is the shade gold and get a protective lid here, and this is how it looks. It's a very runny product and I think you get a very less product somehow. Anyway, let me swatch it. So this is how it looks. I hope you can see. It's a jelly highlighter. Again, मैंने कोई जेली हाइलाइटर अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया है, तो आई थॉट कि ये भी ट्राई करके देखते हैं. सो ये जो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं ना, ओरिजिनल प्राइस ऑफ ऑल दीज आर लाइक 499 रुपीज़ आई गेस. तो आई पेड 2 products and I got the third one as free. Yeah, all these are like 499 rupees each. Anyways, I'll mention details about all the products I'm showing you in the description box with their names and prices and everything, so you can check the description box for all the details. Next, I got this eyeliner from Maybelline. It's their Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. It's Maybelline Tattoo Eyeliner. इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज़ सुने हैं, बट मैंने अभी तक इसको ट्राई नहीं किया था, तो दिस टाइम आई थॉट कि लेट्स बाय इट एंड ट्राई इट. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. इट कम्स विद दिस फेल्ट टिप. मुझे फेल्ट टिप लाइनर जो रहते हैं ना, वो काफ़ी पसंद है क्योंकि उनसे आपका काफ़ी अच्छा कंट्रोल मिलता है. तो लेट मी स्वॉच. ओके, इसकी पिगमेंटेशन बहुत ही अच्छी है. काफ़ी ओपेक पिगमेंटेशन है, एकदम जेट ब्लैक कलर है, काफ़ी अच्छा है. So yeah, I'm looking forward to try this one. Now the last product I got is this lip liner from Wet n Wild. It's a very big liner. You can see the size. It's very big. So this one, I don't know इस पर कोई नाम, इसका नाम एक्चुअली नाम के ऊपर ये स्टिकर लगा दिया इन्होंने, तो I don't know. And somehow इस पे लिखा है HOK Makeup. Can you see? स्टिकर पे लिखा हुआ है HOK Makeup. So maybe because HOK Makeup is an official retailer of Wet n Wild in India, so maybe that's why, I don't know. So this is the lip liner. I can't tell you the name because ये स्टिकर लगा हुआ है उस पर, but the shade I can tell you. Okay, so this one is Color Icon Lip Pencil and this one in the shade Chestnut. So it's a wooden pencil again. Can you see? This is how it looks. It's not very creamy as such, like जितना ये शुगर वाला था ना उतना creamy नहीं है ये, but the pigmentation and everything is good. And this is also wooden pencil, but इसके साथ आपको कोई sharpener free नहीं मिलता है, तो आपको कोई और sharpener यूज़ करना पड़ेगा to sharpen it up. So I guess those were all the products I got in this Pink Friday sale of Nykaa, and that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.